The Aunt and the Last Treasure. One sunny morning in a small village, three young aunts, Ali, Zain, and Sarah, were playing. Near a big tree, suddenly Ali saw something shining, half buried in the sand. Look, a golden seed! Ali exclaimed. The three aunts tried to pull it out, but it was too heavy. Ali pushed, Zain pulled, and Sarah dug around it. But the seed wouldn't budge. We can't do this alone, Sarah said. Let's ask for help. Zain frowned. But if we call others, we will have to share the treasure. Ali remembered the word of the wise old aunt. Allah loves those who work together, he said. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ taught us that believers are look like one body. If one part hurts, the whole body feels it. We must help each other. So they called their friends. Soon 10, 20 and then 50 aunts come. They lined up, pushing and pulling together. 1, 2, 3, they chanted. With the final heave, the golden seed popped out. But to their surprise, it wasn't just a seed, it was a special seed that grown into a huge plant, providing food for all the entire colony for months. The queen aunt smiled. This is the blessing of teamwork. When you work together, Allah gives you more than you imagined. Zain blushed. I was wrong. Together we are strong. Moral of the story, teamwork is a sunnah. Just like aunts. When Muslims help each other, Allah reward them with success and blessing. Dear kids, can you think of a time when teamwork helped you or someone else? Remember, little aunts, together we rise. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.